Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about the JMS V2 operation as part of the JMS V2 connector. With this connector, if you are sending data to any queue or any sort of endpoint, there is a built-in 1 megabyte limit, as you can see here. The way to get around this limit is you have to go into your atom. You have to set this property. By default, it's 1 megabyte. But you can technically set it to whatever you want. So if you wanted to set it to 10 megabytes, you could. The issue, well, not the issue, but the non-intuitive thing about this is it's set in bytes. So when you go and set it, you need to make sure to transform this into bytes. But to do that, you would go to your atom and the properties tab, go to custom, and add property, add this property, like that, and then the value. For this example, I'm just going to say we're going to set it to 10 megabytes, and since that's bytes, it will be this value, and then you would hit save, and after you hit save, you restart your atom, and it will apply, and that should increase the file size limit.